now it's better.
That may happen. Let me ask you that how many classes or within how many days you want to complete this course? Can you tell me?
I don't know how many classes because nobody told me how many classes there will be. But if we
Okay.
can do at least two per week, that is great.
Okay. Actually, I am having some other engagements too.
Yeah, yeah, I
That's why
understand.
I am not being able to contribute more than a day in a week. So,
Okay.
I mean, how many days do you have? I mean, within the month of August or within the month of September, October, like this kind of thing is there.
No, there is nothing like that. I'm just actually simultaneously preparing for interviews.
Okay,
So
okay,
they will ask MATLAB questions. So I'm just um preparing for that
okay, okay,
part.
okay. So,
Mm.
what I do, as far as I can, I'll give the whole idea about this MATLAB. Okay.
Yeah,
Within, I mean, currently we can do in a day, like on Friday, I think the class is scheduled on Friday. So,
yeah.
but in the last week, due to some medical emergency, I was not there. Okay, so that's why this thing happened. So let's see. Let's start today's class first. Okay, and
Yeah, sure.
let me talk with sir.
Hmm.
What he says, he will let you know. Okay.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, we
Okay.
can start. Wait, I'm sending this to myself.
Okay. 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 No issues. I'm sharing this thing. Just a minute.
Uh,
So
just one
this MATLAB
minute.
screen is visible.
Yeah, it is visible.
Sorry. Okay. All right.
Yeah. Hmm.
Okay. So your in the last class we have discussed about some issues in your MATLAB software.
Yeah,
That has been resolved.
yeah, they are resolved.
Okay. Okay. That's fine. So we'll be starting today about
Mhm.
this MATLAB means what? MATLAB means this is matrix laboratory. Okay.
Okay.
So mat for matrix and lab for laboratory. So here everything we create, everything means the variables, the inputs, outputs, whatever we'll give the declarations, and
Yeah.
after the calculations, it gives the output. It is in the form of the matrix. Okay. So
Yeah.
matrix is nothing but a combination of row vectors and column vectors. We know that. Huh? So here also we can create a matrix by combining these row vectors and column vectors. So row vectors, let us first know that how to create the row vector. That is very simple thing. Let us take r as a row vector. R is equal to, we'll put the square brackets. Okay, we'll put some numbers like 1, will give a space, 2, then again space, 3, 4, space 5. So let us take this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the row vector. So if we I'm sorry, yeah. Now you can see that these row vectors have been created. Okay, row vectors have been created. So like this way also, one thing you can do, with me you also do this in your laptop. Okay, can you hear me?
I've done this.
Okay, okay,
Sorry.
okay.
Huh?
No
Yeah.
issues, no issues. Whatever I
Mhm.
do, you do laptop also?
Yeah. I'm working. Should I
Yeah.
share my screen?
No. That's okay. You do this at the end. We'll see. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, mhm.
Uh, so what happens? We can do one thing. At the left hand side, you can see the workspace. In the earlier class, we have discussed about this workspace. Whatever the operation is doing at the command window or in the script window, the script window will come later on. This command window and script window, the inputs, variables, outputs, all things will come here at the workspace section. Okay, and this forms a matrix. Okay, so now let us take another row vector like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so let us, if we, and if we take this, we can add these vectors too. How? That r plus t. Now you can see the result. Okay, we have declared one row vector, another row vector, and we have added these two row vectors to get a result. Okay, res is the resulting vector, and the result is this. This is nothing but 5 plus 1, 6 plus 2, 3 plus 7, 4 plus 8, 5 plus 9. Understood? Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay, so in the same way, this is the way of creating the row vectors. Okay, now how to create the column vectors? Now column vectors can be created by, let me put again square bracket. Okay, then here just the syntax is different. Okay, what is the syntax? This is the syntax. You have to put a semicolon and space.
Okay.
Semicolon,
Uh,
space.
it's okay. Yeah, this is column. Hmm.
Okay,
Yeah, got it.
now if you put enter, then this thing will come up.
You're writing this in command window, right?
Right. We haven't entered into the script thing. We'll come it later on. Are you doing it?
Yeah, I'm doing this.
Okay.
Uh,
Once it has been done, then please let me know.
yeah, it's done actually.
Okay.
I know this part, but it's okay. We can go through it. Maybe that's how we have planned.
Okay. So can you tell me that how to create the matrix then?
Um, yes, like
So you tell me the command. I am writing.
yeah, sorry. It's just trying to do. Okay, so you mean how much like two into two matrix you mean?
I'm sorry. Can you please repeat?
Which matrix? Like two into two, three into three, which
Okay. Let us do two into two.
so let's say you can write one, two, one
One
space two,
space two.
and then there's comma and this above thing.
The
I don't know.
semicolon.
Yeah, and then gap, and then three, four.
Very good.
Yeah,
That's all.
yeah,
So this is the thing how we can create the matrix. Okay.
yeah,
So here in this, just a minute. So in this MATLAB, there are number of commands which can use it. So do you know that how to clear these all these commands? That's the thing.
yeah.
Okay. How to do that?
Um, CLC.
Good. So everything is cleared. And how to clear the workspace?
um, close all or clear all, one of this.
Yes, you can this clear workspace, you can do this by, or you can write clear here. Just put an enter, all the variables will be clear. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yes.
So what we do that will not waste much time on these commands. Okay. uh, Wherever and whenever we'll need those commands, we'll just refer it. Okay, because there are
Okay.
number of commands, I mean plotting commands, mathematical commands, and so on, vector commands, matrix commands, array commands. So we'll not waste much time, because this is useless to keep mugging up those commands. Okay, rather than we do some kind of programming. So before programming, we need to know that this programming can be done in the scripts. Okay. So there are m files. Okay. Dot
Yeah.
m files. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So dot m files are of two types. What are they? Number one is scripts, and
Okay.
number two is functions.
Mm.
Okay. Now
Yeah.
both are .m extensions, so there will not be the thing. Now, how to run this script file, and how to change the directories? There are number of things. So, for a interview purpose, this is very basic thing. So, we'll not focus on those things. Okay. So directly we'll start writing a script in a. There is a sample program in this. So you have to create this new script. Okay, let me. Okay, it's good. Okay. Now let us take one thing in editor. Whenever you save this as any name, let us go to the desktop, and if we put like my program. Okay, just keep in mind that no space will be allowed in the names. Okay, the file name doesn't contain any space. Okay, if you put a space here, what happens? This thing will come up. Okay,
Yeah. I
so what you
agree.
can do, you can delete it, or if you can uh, give give an underscore like this. Okay, got it. Okay,
Mhm.
so yeah, and in the editor also, whenever we are giving some kind of variables, we are declaring some variables, this particular variable name, that also doesn't contain any kind of spaces. Okay. Now let us take one example, that how many total in a school. Let us take a school. There is a number of students, number of teaching staffs, and number of non-teaching staffs. They are there. So let us take the number of uh, number of students. Let us take it as 1000. Okay, and after each declaration you have to put a semicolon. Okay, now when press enter, number of teaching staff, let us take as 50. The number is too high. Yeah, that will be fine. And the number of non-teaching staff, let us take this as 15. Okay, so how many total number of staffs are there? So let us take another one. Total equals to number of students plus teaching, sorry, number of teaching, let me copy from here. Okay, I need not to write every time. And number of non-teaching staff as this. Okay, so if we put now whenever you write it, then display total, this is capital. Okay, now what happens, we'll see. Now whenever we'll compile those M files in the editor, I mean in the script, whenever we'll take the output will come at the command window. Okay, so let us first clear it. Okay, everything is clear, so we'll run this. What happens, we'll see. If this type of prompt comes up, then you can add to path. Okay, now you can see this program shows this 1055. Okay, the total of these things. Okay, understood?
Yeah.
Okay, so you do one thing. Okay, now if we take a equals to 5 and b equals to 8, don't forget to put this semicolon, just like that was there in the C programming as well. Okay, whenever you are declaring a variable, then you have to put this semicolon. Like in the third line, if we write a plus b, you need not to put this semicolons over here. If we run it, you can see that this thing comes up. Okay, and whenever we put this display command, then what happens, we'll put semicolon. Semicolon means a break. Okay, now you can see that what is the difference, you can see from this one and this one, it shows the variable name with the result. Okay, whereas in the second one, if we put display C, then it will display only the result. It will not show like C equals to 13. Okay, okay, now you can play with these functions and numbers. You can put any variable like a square plus b square, you can put again. You can see this number comes up. Okay, you can play with these numbers, whatever it may be, like dE equals to exponential of minus c. So what happens, you can see this thing will come up. Okay, is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay, so let me clear these things. Okay, now what I am doing, I am writing these programs in a single script file. I am not changing again and again. If you want to save it, then what you can do is go to this save option and save as. You can create a folder in the space you want. I have just put it into the desktop. Okay, and you can save it like the name could be the M files, let us say. You can save this by this name. Okay, so that whenever you recapitulate, then you just click on those files and you can open it. Okay, okay, now we are slowly moving towards the data types. Now MATLAB does not require any type of declaration or dimension statements. Okay, if the variable is already there, already present in the MATLAB, then this MATLAB replaces the original content, okay, and it is loaded by the new content or the new storage space, okay. Now what are the data types? We know that the numbers can be of 8 bit, the numbers can be of 16 bit, 32 bit, 64 bit, and more than that, okay. So this MATLAB software actually allows 15 types of fundamental data, okay, 15, 1 5, and each and every data type that stores the data in the form of the matrix or some type of array. We know that by the name of the software. Now the size of this matrix or the array, that is a minimum of 0 by 0 matrix or 0 by 0 array, and it can go up to any size, n number of size. There is no limitation of the upper limit of this data type.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll see that slowly that what are the data types, okay. Now let us take another example. I am not changing the name of the file. You can change it, okay. You may change it, or you can, if you can keep it, you want to keep it, then also it is fine. Now we'll write a few types of data here, okay. Let us start with the string. Now string can be represented by, let us take as str, okay, and there's a whenever you are writing a string, then you have to put this two inverted commas, okay, not double one, there's a single one, okay, and within it you have to write the string. It's a very, very common thing in Python as well, okay. Okay, we'll not
Yes.
run this thing right now, we'll run this later on. We'll just keep on writing those data types first, okay. And in earlier stage we have declared some variables as 4 5 6 7, okay. Then what we'll do, we'll write one command as double of a, okay. Then we'll take un. What are the syntaxes, what are their meanings? I'll come to that. Let us first write these things.
So you are writing str. What does that mean? String.
String, okay. I'll come one by one. Let whatever I am writing, you just write it, and their
Okay.
syntaxes I'll explain later on, okay.
Yeah.
And now Rn, any number, okay. You can take other numbers too. I'm just telling random numbers. C is int 32 Rn, okay. Once you have done, then please let me know.
Yeah, just 1 second.
Yeah, sure.
Wait, did you? Okay.
Okay.
No, I'm writing. You're
Okay.
writing this in the new folder. Wait. So many things are. Okay. I'll save it later. New, right? Mhm. Done.
Done.
No, just 4, 5, 6, 7. You Yeah, done.
Okay. Now you need to keep in mind that in the earlier example also we have told that whenever you put this semicolon, that means this is continuation. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And if we don't put it in the command window at the output, each and every these 6 lines will come up. Okay. Now at the first if we run it, you can see that string has come up as hello world. Okay. And a is 4567. This is a nothing but one variable that can contains n numbers, and d is double of a. Here, as this is a whole number, so d doesn't changes here. Now just a minute. Yeah.
Hey, but I can't see anything on my command window.
Have you run it?
Yeah, there is some error in the
What error?
fourth line. That is unit.
Not unit, it is UINT.
Oh, okay. What's that?
Ah, that's what I am
Integer.
telling. There is an U means unsigned, okay, and INT means integer. So whenever it is representing 32-bit unsigned integer, okay,
Mhm.
that's why this comes up as 457.
Okay.
Is it coming now?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, string means str means.
str means string. And one more thing, you can do one thing that will be very helpful for you.
Why are we doing this string hello world? Yeah, command you want me to write in front of it.
Correct.
But why?
Yeah,
What
tell
does
me.
this function mean? Like, why are we taking A 4, 5, 6, 7,
There
D
is
double
there is no
of B?
reason. There is no reason.
Okay.
I am just taking a random number to make you understand that how this double UINT and
Okay.
INT32 occurs. I mean, how does they do their work?
So double A means what? Because D is still coming the same number as A.
Yeah. I'll take this thing because this double, that means the double precision numerical data. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
If we put like this one, if we now put it, you can see that a is coming as a very very big number. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Let us take this one. You can see that
Okay.
this is the double precision numerical data. Now if we take this as a single precision data, we can also change it from double to single. The result will come at the same. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, because this is the whole numbers. I mean, these numbers. This can be used for some mathematical computations. We'll see later what are the applications. We are just giving an overview of the data types that are used in MATLAB. Okay, there are
Okay. Okay.
I mean, there are more number of data types, syntaxes are present in the MATLAB. Will not put much stress on this. Okay, so and in MATLAB, this type of data can be converted. Like if we want to convert one binary information or binary data to decimal data, we can do it. If from decimal data, hexadecimal data, I mean the numbers that can be converted. So every type of data type conversion that is possible in MATLAB. Okay, and one thing I forgot to say, that you can write those comments by putting a percentage sign. Okay.
So this unit un is undefined variable and you are putting the integral value. But why 32? U
It's a
integer
32 bit.
bit.
32
Oh,
means 32 bit.
so up to 32 it can be
No,
like
no, no,
this.
no, no, no. It can go up to 64.
Okay, double. Okay.
Yeah. So
And Rn mean?
it starts from 8, 16,
Uh,
32, and 64.
okay, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
And Rn means?
Rn is a random variable, random number we have taken this as Rn. Okay, random number.
Okay. And then you just do C
C,
should
that
be
is
the
another variable, and I didn't put any type of uint. U means unsigned, and only
uh-huh.
int means that is signed. Okay.
Okay, but in the command window we don't see the value of C.
Here you can see.
Can you? See? Oh, I can't see. Oh, because I have put that comma. No. Wait, see. Mhm. Okay, yeah, I can
Okay.
see 5, 6, 7, 9. So they just round off it to the nearest.
Correct. Correct. Very good. That's the thing. Okay. But
Okay.
yes, there are some type of commands they are present. Now, as I have told you that I'm just writing those commands, that int 8, int 16, int 32, and int 64. Okay, and their corresponding unsigned one are also present. Sorry, this is a single t. Okay, this represents int 8 means 8-bit signed integer. This is 16-bit signed integer. This is 32-bit signed integer. This is 64-bit signed integer. And
Yeah.
if we take
Mhm.
this thing a little bit further, then it comes as, you just put u before it. It comes as unsigned.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Can I actually share my code? Like, so maybe you can understand.
What are you saying?
Can I share like my codes? Like I understand this. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, sure. No problem.
So like I can tell you like what I'm trying to, you know,
Yeah, just share it.
maybe how do I say? Okay, my screen.
Mm-hmm.
With can you see now?
Yeah, yeah, that's cool.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So so this code I didn't write, but I know what it means and how it operates, and I do the curve fitting using that. But
Okay.
my idea, I can so that I can write these type of codes, you
Mm-hmm.
know, and then mostly I am working resonators, so I find the quality factor. So this thing like I can understand, but I've not written this myself. So I just want to be confident enough to write something like this in future myself.
Okay, okay,
I I know like basic things. I understand uh, the basic part, but
okay, okay.
or one example is this. Mainly we do Lorentzian fit. Uh, I think this is just the plotting, maybe. Wait,
Okay.
yeah. This is the fit. So mainly curve fit codes. So that I can write them myself. I have
Mm-hmm.
not written this, but I understand this, like what's happening in this code. These are just different parameters which I'm trying to put in. But yeah, mostly so that I can write these type of thing myself. So, you know,
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
yeah, that,
I understood completely that you are onto some type of some type of calculational things. I think is what
yeah.
you. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So let me tell you one thing. Whenever you write, do you have any type of other programming language knowledge?
No.
Okay. So no issues, no issues, no issues. Actually, whenever when I have started my journey, that time I was like you only. Okay. So there is no such issues. Uh,
Mhm.
one thing, one thumb rule you must keep in mind that in the programming, the whole target is to solve a problem. Okay,
Yes.
to solve a problem, suppose I'm giving you an example like you are going to your university at the road, you are I mean on the on you are taking a scooty or a motorbike, motorcycle. You are riding a motorcycle and going to your university. Okay, so at the roadside you have seen some dog is lying down, and so he might be a little bit hurt. So what we'll do, so I have given you a problem, and using your logics, using your own expertise, you are analyzing those problems, and you are giving some importance to the dog or your university, whatever it may be, and you solve it, and you give me some solution that I'll do this, I'll do that, like this. Am I right? This is the programming, nothing else. Okay, programming needs to be, it is not like that you need to mug up all those commands, all those things into your head. Rather, you just understand the concept that first I need to stop stop by the roadside, and then I need to take off from the motorcycle. Then I'll check the dog whether he's okay or not, how or where the hurt is taking place, and then I'll check with my doctor or some nearby doctors or nearby hospitals. I'll call the hospital or the concerned people to take him up, and I'll again continue my journey to the university. Okay, so these are the steps. Whenever you are solving a problem, then you have to define the steps one by one. So this is called the algorithm. Okay, whenever you are doing some kind of solving a problem, if you are writing a step by step solution, then it is called as algorithm. Now algorithm means, if I tell you that what is 2 plus 2, what is the result of 2 plus 2, so this thing you can do in your calculator, this thing you can do in MATLAB, this thing you can do in C programming, you can do it in Python programming. So in the programmings that are available in the world, they all can do this type of 2 plus 2. Okay, but all the I mean all the programming languages are based on certain algorithms. Okay, the program may be changed depending on the syntaxes, depending on the commands. Like if we want to add two numbers in MATLAB, we'll use certain commands, but their procedures are same. You need to declare one variable, you need to declare the second variable, and the third variable as a taken as a plus b. Okay, let us take, so this algorithm will be same for all the programming languages. Okay, so there is no such issues that algorithm may vary, algorithm may change. Algorithm will be the same. Only change will be the syntaxes. And nowadays, syntaxes need not to be marked up. Syntaxes are available whatever you can say in ChatGPT or Google, whatever, and most used syntaxes that if you do it like 2 3 weeks, you will understand that what are the most important commands are. Whatever you are showing me, those q factor and Lorentzian things. Okay, they are some complex. You can you open it?
What?
That q factor and whatever you are showing me.
Oh, okay. Yeah, sure.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
quality factor.
Now
Okay, sure.
you can see that here at the sixth one. Let us take the
Yeah.
1 2 3. You know that I'm leaving it. So
Mhm.
number sixth line, you can see that some type of file name has been declared by scope 1. I think the scope 1 means you want to measure something by some visible things like
Yeah,
oscilloscope or something.
yeah.
Okay,
The
so
file is there. There are
that is the
four
file
columns.
name. You have
Yeah,
declared the file name, and the file type has been taken as the comma separated values. Okay,
yeah.
CSV files.
Hmm.
Okay, now
Yes.
at the 8th line, that is written file equals to strcat. That means string category. Okay, there is a string category.
Yeah.
Okay,
But
now
why are we writing this? I don't understand. Like, because I've already written the file. So,
no,
but
whenever that's what I was telling, that in the data types will come. In the data types, if you want to that this string cat. Okay, this actually defines the string category. Okay, now string maybe what I can say, let string category means if you want to show, I mean, that file name dot csv. Okay, like the file, can you, yeah. Now the file will come up as scope underscore one dot csv. Understood?
yeah.
Here in the file, string category means file name dot csv.
Mhm.
This will come up. So for that it is written. Okay.
Okay.
If you have wanted to create a Microsoft Word file, so what you
Mhm.
should write, dot, here just scope underscore one dot doc or docx. Okay, whatever
Okay.
extension it may be.
Yeah.
Okay, now here in the ninth line, it is p equals to read matrix, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, and I don't know this, what is this header lines.
I think this is about, I know, like, I understand this code. This is like first line you have to leave.
Okay,
Like first part of the each column you just have to leave
okay.
because
This header line is something. Some variables are there, na?
yeah.
Okay. So from this, you need to read the matrix. We'll come back those these commands. Okay. Now, whenever you write those programs, to be an expert of writing a program in MATLAB program, you need to first, you don't go by this commands and all. This very, it will look like a very complex thing. What you can do, that you plus please write a thing that I need to do this, I need to do this. Instead of writing the commands, you write in words. Okay, then you find that what are the things I can do. Okay, now are you specifically want to know that what is happening inside the program, or we can
No, no,
skip
I
this?
know what is happening inside the program.
Okay,
I was
okay.
just showing you like so that like
What do you want,
by the
you just
end of
shared, na?
yeah, by the end of this entire class, maybe I'm like this entire course, I'm able to write something like this.
Okay, okay, okay. No issues, no issues. I'll try my best to give you
Okay.
the things. Okay,
Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
okay,
I understand. Okay.
okay, okay. So there is, I mean, checking things. Checking things means how the let me show this. Actually, I need to share this.
Should I stop present?
Yeah, I can do it also. Okay, let me clear all of this. Okay. Now, this MATLAB software actually this provides there are different functions for identifying the data types of the variable. Now, if we are declaring something, what I am trying to say, let me write over here. If we take x is 5, okay. Now let us check that whether it is a integer, whether it is an integer, whether it is a float, whether it is a vector, whether it is a scalar, whether it is a numeric number.
Should I write it in a new file or the same file?
uh, uh, it is recommended that you should write in a new file. Okay, I'm doing it in the same file because otherwise.
Mhm. Yeah. Oh, if means we check with what is it?
Yes, whether it is an integer, whether it is a
Mhm.
float, whether it is a vector, whether the value of x is scalar, whether the value of x is numeric. Okay,
What does float means?
float means 5.663. This is the floating numbers. Okay,
5
and
point means the decimal.
yes, in the programming, it's called as floating numbers. Okay, and in the whole numbers are called as the integers. Okay,
Yeah. And vector is a function.
uh, vector, just a minute, yeah. Vector means it will check that whether it is a vector quantity. uh, I'll come I'll take those examples too. Now if we put this thing as this, you can see that this is an integer, so it is putting 0. It is not a float, so it is 1. It is not a vector, so it is 1. It is not a scalar, it is 1. It is a numeric value, it is 1. 1 means no, 0 means yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, got it.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you can put one another thing. Let us take 5.8287. Now if we run it, you can see x is 5.8700. This is not an integer. Sorry, what? This is an int. I don't know what is happening.
What did I do something?
No, no, no. It should come as 0.
Maybe clear the command. Maybe.
Just a minute. Okay. Now you can see that x equals to 5.87. It has been taken as the integer. Okay.
Yeah.
But whenever what is happening, I understood that whenever we'll do some type of mathematical calculations, okay, We don't know the value of x. We have forcibly put these things because let us take some complex computations where this value of x comes with some unknown value, and we need to check that whether the value is integer or float or vector or scalar or a numeric value, this one. Okay, so we'll be doing this. Okay, so let us go to the operators. Yeah, so now in the MATLAB, like the other programming languages, okay, just a minute, like the other programming languages in MATLAB, it offers an operator. Okay, now what is operator? Operator means this will be the operator, this can be the operator, this can be the operator, this can be the
Yeah.
operator. Okay, there are a number of operators are there. Okay, in MATLAB also they support the operational things, so they are divided into 5 portions, I mean 5 different groups. Okay, that is arithmetic group. Okay, that is, second one is relational group, logical group, bitwise group, and set operations. Okay, so these are the mathematical operations what are the supported by the MATLAB. Okay, now in the arithmetic operations, we know that these basic things, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Also, we'll find some special things. Okay, special things means we can found this dot star. What does it mean? It is an array multiplication.
Yeah.
Okay, it's an array multiplication. We know this one is represented for the right division. Okay, understood? Okay, now if we write this one, this is called as the left division. Okay, we'll see that whenever we'll do some type of matrix operations, we'll see that how this left division and the right division will take place. Okay, now this particular backlash or the matrix left division, what happens, let us take A as a square matrix. Okay, now A, if we write like A backslash B, okay, now A is a square matrix and this is same as inverse of A by B. Okay, sorry, inverse of star B. Okay, understood? That is a that is a operation. And whenever we'll do the array multiplication, array division, array left division, or array right division, or array power, then we'll just put this dot before it. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, so let us create a script file. Okay, now we'll put any value. You can take other values too and check whether it is happening or not. C equals to A plus B, D equals to A minus B, E equals to A B multiplied by B. F,
So
yeah,
You're creating, these are just you're assigning the
Variables.
numbers.
Yes, I am assigning those values. And G we can take as backslash B. Okay. Now again we can take another variable as x equals to, let us take 6, and let us take y as 8. Okay. Just give me a moment. Give me 5 minutes. Okay. X to the power y.
G is like F is A by B. What is G?
G is a backslash b.
What does that mean?
I'm telling you that what is backslash. Backslash, it is a matrix left division. Okay, it's a
Oh,
matrix left division. Whatever I have written just before it, that this thing I have written.
matrix left division.
This is same as this expression. At the last line I have written.
Are you saying something?
Okay, you can delete this thing also. I mean, just keep it over here.
Mm-hmm.
Just give me a moment. Okay, so just a minute.
Yeah. Hello, are you saying something?
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Uh-huh. Okay. So, yeah. So you can see that some echo is coming up. Hello.
Yeah,
Yeah.
now?
Now also some. Hello. No, it's good.
Yeah.
It's good now. Yeah. So if we declare those things, you can see that a equals to 10, b equals to 20 we have declared, and uh, the result comes up as the mathematical operators. C equals to 30, d equals to minus 10, e equals to 200, f equals to zero point 0.5, like this. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So apart from this, I mean, there are some functions also, like we can write these are the operator symbols. Otherwise we can also use some type of functions. Okay. Now how that can be done? Just see, forget all of this. I am writing one command. Let us see what happens. Now you can see the same thing happens. If we put d a comma b, these are nothing but commands. Okay. You can see what is happening. Got it? If we put times, if we put sorry, d equals to right division, now see, let us see what happens. You can see this. Okay. So either we can use these operator symbols as plus, minus, multiplication and right division as this, or we can use this commands as well. Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
Okay. So these are the operators. So there is another things, that is the relational operators. Whatever I have told you, that relational operator is nothing but this is less than, greater than, greater than, equals to, like this. All these equals to, less than, equals to, not equals to, all of these are the relational operators. Okay. So for example, if we take a equals to 100 and b equals to 200, now we are checking it whether we are slowly going inside the loops and conditional checks. Now if we'll put, if a is greater than equals to b, then max equals to a, else max equals to b. Now end. Okay, so this is the simple if else loop we have started by giving some relational operators, and later on also I'll discuss this if else loop, if else conditional checks. But for now, what is happening, let us understand. Let me clear this window first. Yeah, now if we run it, you can see that a is 100 and b is 200. So what if this f is greater than equals to b? Is it correct? A is greater than equals to b?
You're asking me?
Yes, yes. A is greater than b? No?
Yeah, no.
No,
So
because b is
one.
greater than a. So that I am highlighting this. This portion will not be valid. I mean, not be valid means this condition will not be checked. I mean, not correct. Okay. So else, that means whatever the other conditions, that means a is less than b. Yes, then print this value of b. Got it?
Okay.
So by this way, these relational operators occur. Okay. So this is the time. I mean, is almost 1 hour. Yeah, it is.
Yeah. It's okay. We can continue tomorrow also. I'm available
Okay.
whenever you are
Okay, but
free.
actually tomorrow I'm having another engagement. So in the
Yeah,
coming
yeah,
week,
sure.
I'll I mean, sir will let you know that what will be the exact time and day of the class. I'll be
Can
taking
you?
the class in the this week only, this
Okay.
14th to 20th of July. Okay.
Do you have like, yeah, okay. Do you have like any suggestion what I can do in the meantime? Like I can learn myself also.
Okay.
Can you give some assignments, homework, something? I have one book like MATLAB Demystified. I
Hmm.
can do some,
You have a book?
yeah, MATLAB Demystified, something
Okay.
names like that.
Okay.
I
So
can I can do some questions, or if you can suggest some book, I can look online and do some practice
look,
based
one
on.
thing, whatever the book is, that is fine, no problem, no issues. Because I mean, in software, what happens, there are some restricted foundations. Okay. So whatever the book is, if you can understand by reading it, then go for it, then continue.
Okay.
Don't change the book. You continue the book, whatever the book may be. I mean, I don't know the name, but still it's okay. If you are reading it, and if you are I mean, understanding those languages, the concepts, then fine, you need not to change the book. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. If you have, I mean, I have not prepared some type of assignments, but once I have prepared those assignments, I'll share, okay, and you
Okay.
can in the
Yeah,
in
sure.
your in your home time or free time you can just hover over it, okay.
Okay. Thank
Okay,
you.
so see you in the next class. I'm ending the class, okay.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah,
Have a good
thank you, take care, bye bye.